Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Block, or formerly known Square, recently reported earnings and stock dropped significantly, so I take a closer look at it and I want to share with you a few notes what I made on the way. Please note that I'm not a financial professional. I'm just sharing here my own journey, and you should do your own research before investing in anything. So the block is still led by the founder of Jack Dorsey. His name. He still owned 7.8% of the company, which is a very good sign for me. They are operating through Square, which is used for merchandise, Cash App, and also Afterpay, which is a buy now, pay later, and they are also exploring some Bitcoin possibilities, and the company also own Bitcoin, some Bitcoin. So the Q4 financials was good for me. They grow in every segment, but it did miss analyst expectations. They also made a good strategic progress. They combined their 5 apps into one POS app, and they also add some new features. So they are on the track with what they promise to deliver. So if you want me to make some deep dive on the block, please let me know in the comments. Here, just in a nutshell, as I mentioned, they earn money with their Square and POS app, where they support small merchants, Cash App, where they make money transfers, Afterpay, which is buy now, pay later, and the spread between Bitcoin and other investment possibilities which they are exploring. Regarding the valuation, stock price is now approximately around $60 in time of recording this video. Price to earnings is 12.6, which is below the fintech industry of 14 or 15. The average price target from the analysts are $94, and the Morningstar fair value is now $90. What I like to look on the companies like this is PEC ratio, which is 12 point, which is the price to earnings divided by the estimated growth, and when we take a 15.3 as estimated growth, 15.3%, we come to a PEC ratio of 0.84. So if they could keep up this projected growth ratio, and in general PEC ratio under 1 is considered cheap. So why did the stock drop so much? They missed analyst expectations, even if they delivered strong growth, in my humble opinion. They are expecting now also the slower growth, but it's still low double-digit growth. Yeah, so I think there is now some, in general, some economic uncertainty, which led also to the drop in the block price. Yeah, but I put here projected growth, which I find it's good for me. They are planning to expand their Cash App Borrow and Afterpay, so the lending service, and also are exploring the Bitcoin and AI automatization. So AI to make the businesses more efficient, and Bitcoin where they want to generate money through investing, and people can invest through block platform into Bitcoin and they will generate money through these spreads. So based on the PEG ratio, gross profit, multiples and analyst targets, block appears undervalued to me. And I think for the long-term oriented investors, it is a good buying opportunity, not financial advice. I owned a block. Before I bought some shares last year in summer, then I bought another shares in the late autumn or beginning of this year. I don't know exactly. The last shares I bought was approximately around $90. So on this buy, I am now underwater, but I'm still holding, and I use this drop as an opportunity to buy more shares. So block is becoming a slightly bigger position in my portfolio, between 4 and 5%. As I mentioned, not financial advice. You should do your own due diligence before investing in anything. So if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and write something nice in comments. See you later. Bye.